Hello, my friends. I've decided to come out. I had to come to the store to get some things, and I happen to be right close to the Asian kitchen. I came here before to practice Cantonese, but I didn't level up. That first Cantonese video I made, when I spoke about that Chinese restaurant I leveled up at, this is the one. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to see if the guy remembers me. So this is not a first time level up, but practice, man. Hey, how you doing?
That's a gentleman. Thank you. Hi.
Hey. I don't know what I want to get this time. Yep, it's the same guy. Let me see. Probably. Yes.
Okay.
Let's see what I want to get. Let's see each of them. Spicy and each of the burgers. Check the outside. Meatball, shrimp, and silver, burgers, plantain. Salad, salad, whole Thai beef with beef. Chicken, very spicy. Take the chicken with the garlic sauce. Do you have the brown rice? Yes. Yes, yes.
877.
Hey, you 10, 15 minutes. Hey, you don't remember the game get up? The game get it or Songchi hai lấy.
Yeah, you really good.
Quảng Đông話 yeah.
Yeah,
好耐冇見嘅。
Yeah, more than 9 months.
或者差唔多1年，係差唔多1年。所以你今次咁嘢好唔好啊？生日好，生日好。麻麻地。哦。得。點
解咁耐唔見到你啊？
就係忙。就係忙。我咁又好忙，又好忙。
好事啊，忙啊好事。咁對出嚟。
其實我中意好忙學嘢，做其他嘅嘢。我而家有點講？而家有女少女你有個女？小孩子。女孩子。女仔，係雙胞胎。係。用廣東話點講雙胞胎？雙胞胎。雙胞胎。哦，雙胞胎。哦 ，OK。哦，差唔多一樣，同普通話一樣。
差不多，對，差唔多。雙胞胎跟雙胞胎。
哦，雙胞 ，OK。哦。差唔多。所以你可以睇我中咁啲學講廣東話。有冇同我按佢中文名？有。老鼠。係。發明呢個。你好好啊，好耐冇見。我嚟呢個我嚟到之前喺屋企，我喺屋企諗，我今日會 識乜嘢，或者去嗰個中國酒樓練習有啲廣東話，我覺得咁做好啲，或者會好啲。
我哋講得唔錯，好，你講得好。
我唔知。
可以啦，可以。我需要學比較多嘅生字，我唔知好多生字。 有冇人教你？
冇，我一直自己學係，但係我老婆係台灣嚟，但係佢唔識講廣東話，普通話普通話，但係因為我
邊度識佢？
廣東話係廣東話。邊度識佢？我哋係圖書館係好耐係好耐之前。
點解你唔講台灣話國語？
我識講國語同埋有啲泰語。老公你唔煮飯？老婆唔煮飯？ 煮飯老婆？有時，但係佢唔做好多，佢唔點講？佢唔好中意煮飯。I gotta get back in boot camp because I gotta get some more practice, man. Felt a little and spoke with the natives face to face for a month or so. Yep, it's the same guy from before. Same guy. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some more practice, man. Maybe I should level up every week. Try to go to a Chinese restaurant every week. I think I'm gonna try to do that because, man, you take that little bit of time off. I mean, I've been studying Cantonese at home. I've been doing my listening and stuff, but I haven't really been talking with anyone. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a great while. When was the last time I spoke Cantonese? Wow, it may have been that video I made. Ni mỗi日係嚟到工作啊？你每日工作係嚟到每日？唔係每日。唔係。OK。所以你有時間嘅時候做乜嘢？Family。家人。兩個女。同我一樣。但係唔係雙胞胎雙。Okay.
So my day off is play with them and teach them homework and do something.
教佢哋識廣東話，講廣東話。
英文英文。
英文都識。
Oh, cool, cool.
Multi-language.
Oh, cool. Alright, 多謝多謝。Yeah, I gotta definitely, when I get every day, not every day, but I think every week, I need to come to a Chinese restaurant and just practice speaking Cantonese, because that right there was pretty good, but I felt like, I don't know, it felt kind of strange. It felt a little strange. Felt a little strange. Still regardless though, it's still EXP. Still EXP points. So I'm a bit on a timer here. I have to meet some students. I have to meet a couple students to meet tonight, one at 9. So I think what I'm gonna do here, let me see, 7:13. I want to go to this other place. I want to go to, because today is actually Somali. This morning was Czech, and this morning was Czech, and then Somali for after 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna go to this Somali place, and it's not gonna be a serious level up, but I'm gonna just go check it out because I've never been to this place before. So let me go ahead and conclude this video, and thanks guys for viewing as usual. I'll talk to you guys here shortly. Yeah, so this place here, this is like a small mall. It's like an international mall, mainly like this Somali. Yeah, what's that? Banana Dairy. They got all kinds of stuff over here. Immigration Center. Man, it's all Somali over here. That's what I'm talking about. It only makes sense. It only makes sense to learn Somali. Let's see, I've been trying to do this other stuff. I definitely want to do it. Definitely going here, man. I ain't gonna be getting that much Somali in. Just this is gonna be one of the level up spots though. One of them. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. Hey, you work here? Do you guys sell books here? Somali books?
Islamic books.
No, Somali. Somali.
Somali?
Yeah.
I don't think so. But you could go to the bookstore.
Yeah, a bookstore. My son. That's serious. Oh my God, man. This is serious, man. I ain't never been here before. Never been here before. You sell Somali books off Somali?
Somali books? Yes.
Cause I'm learning the Somali language. Well, Hage. Where's just? Oh, it doesn't matter. Just it's like a Somali language.
Yeah, Somali language.
Let's see.
This is history.
Okay. So, okay, what were you saying? Oh, it's all Somali? Thai. Do you have like any like from English to Somali or something like that?
That's a dictionary.
You got a dictionary?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dictionary.
Yeah, I didn't have dictionary. I sold.
You sold?
Yeah, I sold something.
Yeah, I'm trying to learn this Somali language.
Yeah.
I didn't know this place existed.
I know.
Oh yes, I might be able to use it.
So you can English Somali. So this word is English, you can get as Somali.
Oh, okay.
$25.
Okay. I want that.
You want it?
Yeah.
What else?
So that's it as far as the dictionary?
Yeah, that's dictionary. That's what I use.
Oh, okay. So you don't have, like that store you have, you don't have anything like from English to?
No.
Ah, okay. Why you hate? It's Kawara.
Yeah.
I know a little bit. Right now. I'm trying to learn some more.
I don't have any bag.
Do you take credit card?
Yes, sir.
Musa?
ID. Why you love to steal some money?
Why you
like to keep some money? Why?
Mahayile lukaduhu in wanaksa ihi. Yeah. Lakini my Somali, I just right now just a little bit. Yeah. So do you ma off Swahili maku? Unasema luku
Swahili? Yeah.
Unasema?
When you need to say, like for example.
Wewe unasema lugha ya Kiswahili?
Yeah, wewe, that's you.
Yeah.
Yeah, wewe like.
Unasema kusema?
Kunasema.
Wewe?
Yeah, I don't know too much.
Oh. Yeah, kwa sababu.
Yeah, I used to, but right now I don't.
Oh. Kwa sababu mimi nichafunza lugha ya Kiswahili pia. Lakini this is lakini nafuna
hakuna
mimi ninafuna kujifunza lugha ya Kisomali. Yeah, sasa.
Yeah, if you talk every day, then you will learn.
Yeah. I didn't know this place existed. I didn't know that this was a mall.
Who told you?
I just drove past.
Oh.
I just drove past and I saw it. So when I start, perhaps when I'll come here and practice. Do you work here every day?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, I'll probably come and practice with you sometime. Inshallah, I'll come practice with you.
Thank
you
you,
get some? No bag?
Yes, sir. I'm out of luck, sorry.
Oh, why you hate?
Thank you, sir.
Mahasani.
Thank you, sir.
Barasha Wanaksan. Oh, Magai.
Sharif.
Oh, okay. Why you hate?
Thank you, sir.
Man, it's too serious in here. You better believe that I'll be coming back. Better believe that I'll be coming back. Trying to level up. Look at that, they got other places. They got a freaking restaurant down there. That's serious, man. I'm in Somali. I'm already in Somali. I'm already here. Look at that. Look at those places down there. They got international market, halal meats. They got immigration center. What else is down there? What is that? The jewelry spot and the restaurant down there. That's serious. That's serious. That's serious stuff, man. They everywhere. Hey, hi. Somalis, man, they everywhere. I just got me a nice dictionary. I should have, man. What I should have done, should have came here. If I was smart. Hold on. I just found out something new about this Luxy here. I can Wow, I can leave the screen. I didn't know that, and it still plays. That's cool. Look at this. I got me an essential English Somali dictionary from that little mall. That's good. Damn, this might be better than the other. This might be better than the other dictionary I have at home. I mean, it doesn't give you example sentences, but I like this. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I should have, man. But yeah, that's what I just wanted to do. I wanted to come down here and check it out. See, that was my first time actually going inside that place. That was my first time. Like, I rolled past. I had I dropped somebody off here before, this Somali guy, but I never went inside there. I didn't know that. I didn't know. Wow, I'm gonna drive around here real quick. They got a restaurant. That's serious. Yeah, I gotta come back over here. I'm definitely coming back. I'm definitely coming back to get to what, they got more stuff on the side? What is that? Oh my God, what is that? What the hell is over here? Yeah, let me drive back here and see. They got a what is that? A coffee shop? They got a coffee shop. And they got a children's. No, that's something else. Yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely come back over here. They got a little Somali Mall over here going on. Oh yeah. So this is a good place to come practice Somali, and I'm pretty sure there are some other places on the east side. Definitely. They got a coffee shop over there. A coffee shop. What else? That's a restaurant. That's a restaurant right there. All this is Somali. International market, halal meats and grocery. It's crazy. But what I'm gonna do is come over here probably every week on the weekend and level up. That's what I'm gonna do. Go in there and just practice. Find some other places too. Wow, that's a nice spot. It's right around the corner from my house too. Right around the corner. So yeah, basically that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to just come and check out this place. Today is actually Somali Day, and as you guys saw, my Somali isn't that good. I couldn't have a conversation yet, but I'm gonna tell you one thing. In about I'll say in a few months or something like that, when I come back, I'm gonna make this video. You guys just remember what I just said in this video. What's gonna happen? I should be able to have a decent conversation in Somali, but hey, I gotta work hard. Right now, all I'm doing is just listening and reading. And what is this? Okay. Yeah, I'm just listening and reading for now. So, trying to get my pronunciation good. But, yeah, so today was Somali Day. Wanted to just go ahead and show you guys that place. It was my first time going there. I rolled past it many times and didn't know it was that serious. So, that's it for this video. I'm going to upload these 2 videos tonight. So, thanks for viewing as usual, and talk to you guys here shortly.